I feed my fish and I look them in the eye. I wonder, how did they happen to come by? How did they get in my tank? Frank said they came from a river bank. I love my fish, I love my fish. Did you notice that fish can fly? Over the rocks on the bottom of the tank, right by the glass they fly by. So I took Frank in a jar with a lid. I took him down to the river, I did. Gave him back to his family and friends. But this is a story that does not end. 'Cause I visit my fish in the summertime. I can swim with a mask just fine underwater.
Huh? They have starfish here, oh? Huh? Starfish.
What is this thing?
The purple one, Agoy, why you go there? Jay. Huh? Jay.
Okay.
Jay. Oh, Jay, where are you?
Oh no!
Oh my God. Jay, yes, sir. How cute. How cute.
Ay, galing na.
Eh, baka ang cute.
Starfish.
People, pasok ka.
Ay, buhay yung starfish niya.